What's happening, YouTube? It's your boy Tech TRX back in another video, and today we're looking at the Gemibook XPro by Chuwi. Let's see how well it does. This is a laptop that budget laptop that you can get right now. I'll link everything in the description below, so go ahead and check that out. And I say it is an affiliate link. It does help the channel a lot as well. So let's open this up. Boom. I got all the stuff right here. The little box right there. Boom. A lot of foam. This part has the charger right there. Set for that. Foam right there for shipping. And inside this has the little laptop, as you can see there. So the laptop goes very flat, as you can see there. Pretty nice. Pretty cool looking keyboard here. Vents up here. Screen and also the camera up there. Let's try to turn it on. There it is. It has a big trackpad as well, so you can see there. Now this is where you would plug it in. HDMI port, USB-A and a USB-C port there, and also a headphone jack. On the other side is this part where you can put a lock, and then a couple of mics up there, and the keyboard layout right here. It also has an HD camera up here with a privacy sensor, so you could open and close it. So here is the Chuwi Gemibook XPro, and we're gonna test it out using DJI Simulator, which is a drone racing league simulator from Steam. We're gonna use it with that, and we're gonna do basic things with it. It has Windows 11. So we're gonna test that out today. So here we go. So the first one here is we're just gonna go to the internet here. And for the most of you who doesn't have like Microsoft Word or anything like that, you could just go to Google Docs. You can always use Google Docs, or you can use pretty much a Google Suite to do your productivity. Here we're just gonna do some words. Hi, this is Paul Taligato. And we are reviewing the Chuwi Gemibook XPro. This is a starter budget laptop for those who want to do light everyday tasks on the computer, and also wants to do some light gaming. There you go. And the keyboard feels nice as well. There's a few function keys up top, like you have to hold one no, and let's say you want to go airplane mode there, on and off. You can also make your computer sleep by pressing that. And there's also volume buttons here. You can mute it or increase or decrease the volume. There's also the display settings here. This is the lowest it could go right there, and the highest is like that. Pretty good. There's also the LCD, which you could turn off the LCD, as you can see there, with one button. Home button somewhat there, number lock, insert, print screen, and screen lock. Pretty nice. Let's see how many tabs I can put on here without really lagging. So now with so many tabs like that, what we can do now is go to YouTube on one of them. I'm going to test out the speakers here as well. Watch one of our videos here. In here, let's look at the highest quality here. Let's see if we can play 4K video. Let's look at the volume here. That's all the way up. So the speaker is okay. It's usable, but you know, it's not like the best speakers, but it is usable. Hit the notification bell so you can be notified of next videos to come of tips and tricks, and also a bunch of Apple news. This is brand new for us, and we're gonna do it right now. Budget iPad is the one that we're looking at today, and this is used for students and also everyone who doesn't want to break the bank and still have the iPad. But this iPad haven't been updated at all for so long, and it has the internal upgrades, but the sides and the design is still the old one. Now there are new leaks that are coming out that the new iPad will
So you can see they're not bad at all.
edge design, kind of like the
Now let's
Air
try a
and the
bass.
iPad Pros. Apple also wants the back to
Let's try a bass boosting, no copyright here. Let's see how well it does. Wonder where the speaker is coming out. I feel like it's under the screen here. There is a kind of like a vent back there. As you can see, it doesn't go very loud, but like I said, it is usable. Really good for that. So again, no lagging whatsoever, even with so many tabs open. Pretty nice. And now let's test out some gaming. So let's do our drone racing league right now. We're gonna plug in our DJI remote by just turning it on like that, and then use the USB-C to USB-A cord right there to plug it in. As you can see, it was able to install it. When I was trying this earlier, there was a little bit of stutter sometimes, but for the most part, I was able to use it without any problems whatsoever. So that's really good, especially for a budget laptop. Those of you who wants to learn how to fly a drone, you'll be able to do that with this without spending too much money on a laptop. Now, this is especially good if you're using it for accounting or something like that, where you have documents that you have to kind of edit once in a while. This is really good. There it is. You could see, not bad at all. Pretty easy to maneuver. There it is. Again, no lag whatsoever. I am on the lowest graphics though, so just keep that in mind. And there it is. As you could see, I was able to finish the mission without any problem whatsoever. Go to the options here, changing it to graphics high now. See if it can handle this. There it is. As you can see, not bad, doable for sure. Oh, this way. Where is it? There it is. The FPS here, as you can see, low FPS, 20 frames per second. So on high quality, it does kind of lag a little bit. So there you go, as you could see, but it's able to play it. That's really good. Now looking at the settings here, it has the newest Alder Lake Intel N100 800 megahertz there. The RAM is 8 gigs, 7.75 gigs usable, and it has a built-in Windows 11 Home. And honestly, for the most part, I think the laptop is usable. There's no lag for the most things that I do productivity-wise. It's just the games that it does get hit a little bit. But for the most part, if you have your games on a lower setting, you'll be able to do it without any problem whatsoever.
Hello, this is the test for the Chuwi Gemibook XPro camera, the front camera here. Now let me know what you think of the mic as well for this laptop. This is kind of what you would hear if you use this laptop for Zoom calls, and also if you want to use it for like a Microsoft Teams. This is the native camera. I'm using the sunlight here on my side, so I'm just gonna lower the curtains here so that you guys can see the difference when there is no light. There it is. I've lowered the curtain, so just let me know what you think of this. The whole room, right now I'm in the dining room, and the room is no light whatsoever, which is really good. Let me know what you think of this camera. Again, this is the Chuwi Gemibook X Pro camera, and also the mic test.
And that's it for today, everyone. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on a brand new laptop. This is from Chuwi. And if you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check that out. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.